Unlock a new dimension of social interaction and collaboration on Roblox with the addition of voice chat. In this guide, we will explore how to enable voice chat on Roblox. Let's dive into the video. Okay, so now I am here on roblox.com and the first step is go to settings and from here go to privacy, and once you are here make sure that the restrictions are disabled, and next is communication is set to default, and next who can message you, friends, then friends, and the last one everyone. Now here as you see I only have camera access but not voice chat. So for this what you need to do is go to settings and from here go to help, and now from here scroll all the way down. Here you see this contact us option, click on it, and now here you will see support form, so click on it, and here you need to fill this form like what issue you are facing. So for this you need to enter your username, then your full name, then your email address here, and make sure that you enter the email address that is associated with your Roblox account. So once you are entered, go to next, and here you need to enter the email address again. Now here you need to mention on which device you are facing problem. So we are facing it on PC, and then in which category you need help. So we need help in technical support. And now in the next step you need to choose specific experience issue. So simply click on this. And now in the next step you need to briefly describe your issue, that you need to verify your age, and also you need voice chat on Roblox. So for this you can type, "Hey Roblox, my child entered the wrong date of birth during registration. Please help us correct it to this." And we also request a save voice chat feature to enhance the gaming experience. And then simply click on submit, and here it will ask for verification. So just complete your verification here and then submit it. And once you complete your verification you will see this message, request received, and Roblox will get back to you maybe in 2 hours or maybe in 24 hours. You never know Roblox. And then Roblox will send you a support ticket, and if you don't know how to use it, we have a video on our channel. Go and check it out. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question or confusion, comment down below. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting tutorials. Bye.